Welcome back. This is the third video for day 6, and I promise this is going to be very short. Okay, so where we left off, we first multiplied these two complex numbers in rectangular form to get this answer. Okay, and then we wanted to see, okay, are we going to get the same answer if we converted this to a polar form and converted this to a polar form and then use the product formula? And then we got this as the answer. So now it's what we need to do is we need to verify that this is indeed equivalent to this. Okay, so we are going to verify exactly that. The standard form we got as the final answer was 13 minus I. The polar form answer we got was square root of 170 cis negative 4.399 degrees. Okay, so then the question is, are they equivalent? Well, we can't do anything with the left hand side, so let's just simplify the right hand side. That is, we're going to rewrite this shortened form into the extended form, and so that's going to be square root of 170. That's the same, but instead of writing cis, we're going to write cosine of negative 4.399 degrees plus I sine of negative 4.399 degrees. Then what this is doing is multiplying to each of the terms inside. So I am going to distribute square root of negative 170, and that becomes the square root of 170 multiplied by cosine of negative 4.399 degrees plus I square root of 170 times sine of negative 4.399 degrees. And if I use the calculator, I should get this value to simplify to 12.999999486, and this simplifies to 1.000066853, and then don't forget the I. Okay, and this is indeed very close to this number. You just have a little bit of error here because of all the rounding that we've been doing. Okay, but essentially these numbers are equivalent. Okay, all right, so that just proved that converting from polar form to rectangular form to rectangular form to polar form, it does work. And sometimes multiplying in polar form makes multiplying complex numbers far easier. And that is it. Thank you for listening.